Hello guys, welcome to my channel again, and this is Mhedz at your service, and we are now going to unbox this gift from my American friend who's been very supportive to me. So let us check what's inside and let's check if it's in good condition. So let's check this out. So para malaman natin kung ano talaga naman ito, samahan niyo ako guys, and kung kayo maalas, let's do it! I have a scissor here now, and yeah, we can start it from here. I don't know where to start. I'm so excited. Ito na siya. I'm excited guys. Ako sobrang excited. Kasi gusto ko na sa mga. There you go. LENOVO. Wow. This is so handy. Oh. Look at that. And I like black. I like black color. So the next one is yung nasa box na. This is the receipt. Ito yung just in case there's something wrong with the product, then we can complain. We have proof. Diba? So now we are going to start to unbox this. The logo. Guys! Careful! Ay! Ay! Naiiyak na ako. Ay! I'm shaking! Ay! I'm gonna show it to you guys. Ito ang kanyang charger. So guys, ayan, charge ko na siya, and it says here now we have some important setup to do. So what I'm going to do now is to read. So all the instructions are here, and I just have to follow it step by step. This is my first time to use Lenovo.
2 hours later.
So guys, eto na nga po. Ayan na. I am able to use it now. So look at that. And I just want to say thank you so much for the advance of birthday gift from my American friend from Arizona. Shout out to you. You know who you are. And thank you so much again. Of course, from our Almighty God, Father. Kung hindi dahil sa Kanya, wala akong blessing na ganito. It's very important to me kasi almost 1 month, almost 1 month akong walang work and I'm ready to work again. And the reason is, kasi yung mga laptops ko ay nasira. Kaya na-stop ako sa pag-work, sa pag-teaching, but I'm ready now to work again. I'm not trying to promote or selling something dun sa in-unbox ko. I just want to share to you the blessings I got and I'm so happy. I want to share to you my happiness as well. Kasi makakapag-work na uli ako because the reason why I stopped working from teaching, it's because I lost my 2 laptops. So, my 2 MacBooks, I don't know what happened. Basta pinatingin ko sila, yung isa software, yung isang sira, yung isa naman is battery. So, I'm so thankful I have my new laptop now for my job. Thank you so much, Lord, and thank you so much, guys, for watching. So, guys, I am ready now to work again, and kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe my channel, and please like and share, and you can leave comments as well. See you again on my next vlog. And also, everybody, please take care and always take care of our health because health is our wealth. Okay? Bye-bye for now. Mhedz. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Love you. Thank you.